Hey guys, today is Monday, December 2nd, 2019, and we're staying at once again at the Dorado Royale Resort in Cancun, Mexico. It's the fourth time I've stayed at the Dorado Royale Resort this year. And let's go check out our guest room here. Okay, hang on a second, let me lock the door. Okay. Start with the bathroom. We got a shower here. Alright. And the toilet room. Yeah. And some placemats and towels. And some dish-shaped like sinks. That's pretty cool. Plant right there. Tissues, towels, washcloths, soap, and all that. Oh, hey everybody. A bathtub with jacuzzi jets. That's pretty cool. Trash can. Oh, hey again everybody. Alright, let's see, this is the closet here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but they got slippers in here and a safe and some bathrobes here.
Here, close the door for a second. The light will come back
Say
on.
hi, Mom.
Hi. Now the light's on.
Okay. Yeah, there's some, like I said, there's some bathrobes, a safe, and some slippers here. And let's see if there's anything in here that I missed. Oh, got an umbrella and ironing things if you need to iron your clothes. Alright, hang on a second. Okay, hang on a second, guys. And, oh, here, everybody. A TV right here. And some dressers and cabinets here. Excuse me. And some nightstands with some lamps. And another one. What kind of bed is this, Mom?
King size.
This is our king size bed for this year, 2019.
Look, did you get this?
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. And in here we got, in one of the cabinets here, we got some tea making things.
Coffee and tea.
Coffee and tea, yeah. Excuse me. And some, I think those are water bottles. And in here we got some, hang on a second.
Mini bar.
Yeah, it's a mini bar here and a little fridge. It's some beer, water bottles, Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Sprite, Fanta. And over here on the side we got chips, pretzels, and what are these? Oh, these are Mew-Bon roll.
They're like chocolate bars.
Chocolate rolls.
Super good.
Yeah. And some beer and some juice. It looks really good in here. Alright, hang on a second. Oh, that was shocking. And a little trash can right there if you can see it. And got a couch with some pillows and a footrest up here. I think that's what you call it. Like when you put your feet up to when you're sitting on a couch. Table with some couple of chairs and painting right there. I really like that painting. And let's see the view out here. We don't have a swim up suite for this year, but this is like the beach view that they have over here. We're on the second floor of the guest rooms. Some lounge chairs, or just normal chairs. I'm not sure which one it is. And the little table right there. Yeah, it's a really good view. I like the logo right there, the palm tree with the sun of Dorado Royale. That's really cool. Okay, hang on a second. Alright guys, so that's our guest room tour for this year in Cancun, Mexico at the Dorado Royale for 2019. And in just a little while, I'll be showing you guys what we're having for dinner tonight. Okay, I'll see you guys then. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.